This is what swales do. This side has no irrigation whatsoever. It's never been irrigated.
I don't want to spend $1,800 a month buying the food that I want to eat. If I'm one person, I can only do so much.
But most of the reason those things happened were because of long-term economic trends.
And this year we are celebrating 10 years of TSP with some amazing extras. Friday will be an all-day celebration with amazing food and masters of mixology serving up cool drinks and telling the stories behind them. Thursday night will feature live music with Cole Reisner performing live on our property. The Barter Blanket will be the biggest and baddest one ever, and as always, what happens on the blanket stays on the blanket. Exclusive 10-year swag will be available only at this event, and there are even some things we can't tell you about just yet. Be ready to get your tickets at 8 a.m. Central on Saturday, September 29th. Don't miss this one because there will never be another one quite like it.